Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Here I'm going to talk about essay writing. Most of the students face that problem because they don't get desired marks or bands. So I'm going to assist you. I'm going to help you that you can improve your writing part. But in this video, I'm not going to talk about each and everything in detail, but surely I'm going to talk about some basic things which will boost your writing part, and surely you will get good marks. In next videos, we will talk about other parts of the writing as well. So without wasting time, we start it. Kindly subscribe this channel and share with other students so more and more students can access it. In essay writing, we have some statements, like it can be a statement: in some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages for young people or decide to do this. So these kind of statements we can get in our paper or exam. First and foremost, in the starting of the essay, we will have to paraphrase it, or we will have to write an introductory paragraph. How to write that one? Whenever we read the statement, we must have understanding of the statement, what we are asked, and what kind of opinions, ideas, and views we can write. Whenever we start paraphrasing means to say whatever given statement, you will have to paraphrase it. You will have to write it in your own language. Same meaning, but with different vocab. Like in some countries, you can write in various nations. Around the world, many people advocate. Young people are encouraged. Here, many people advocate taking a gap year here to work or travel for a year. Same meaning with different vocab. That is called paraphrasing. Or travel before beginning one's tertiary education. Tertiary education, it is called to third level or higher education, and see the smartness of writing. Same meaning you can get just with this word, tertiary education, instead of writing finishing high school and starting university studies. So tertiary education covers that meaning. That is called paraphrasing, and you can get good scores and bands if you just paraphrase it smartly. Then you will have to make clear your stand, what you are going to write. Here it is written, while this offers a few advantages, there are also some disadvantages. It means you are going to concern both the points, advantages and disadvantages. If you have some other statements like in favor or against, then same way you will have to make your stand clear. Are you going to write about uh, in favor or against the statement? So in paraphrasing, we will have to make our stand clear. Then now advantages. In first paragraph, we have started writing about advantages. There are some more points like how to use connectors or complex sentences that will help us in writing as well. But today we talk about vocab and introductory paragraph and just overall pattern of the essay writing. In first paragraph, some advantages are given here. Whatever opinions, views you have regarding that statement, you can write. And in second paragraph, you can check in the starting, on the other hand. Whenever we write on the other hand, it means we are going to talk about another aspect of the statement, another point about the statement. If it first paragraph is about advantages, it means second para is about disadvantages. Third, in the last paragraph, or we can say in the end of the essay, we will have to conclude the whole statement. In conclusion, we can just give suggestions. We can talk about general opinions or solutions. So in the end, we will have to conclude the paragraph. So this is short video. Just we are, you can say this video is just introductory video to essay writing. So in next videos, we will talk about some more points, and you can say some more tactics to overcome our poor writing skills. I hope you enjoyed this video. You got something that you will apply in your writing, and surely you will get good bands and marks. So thanks for watching.